Hello, assalamu alaikum, bro.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, doing great. What's about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine.
That's great. You look handsome.
Oh, thank you so much. You also. And
Bro.
actually, you give me some advice about give me some idea about yourself.
uh,
What's your
I'm
favorite hobby?
my favorite hobby is gardening, writing poems, because writing poems, it makes me self motivated,
Okay.
and also playing football, cricket. That's it. And
You like to play football?
yes, I like to play football. Uh, Football is my favorite
Who is
game.
your favorite team?
Uh,
What's your favorite team or who's your favorite player in football?
uh, my favorite team is really I'm Brazil supporter, and also
Okay.
Neymar is my favorite player.
Okay.
And you?
I am also a Brazil fan, and but my favorite player is Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Oh,
Because
that's great. CR7.
yeah,
He is God.
actually,
Greatest of all time.
yeah. And tell me something about your family background.
Uh, I am from a normal family, and also my
Are
father
you
is.
from nuclear family or joint family?
Yes, I'm from nuclear family, because there are seven member in my family. Three sister, uh, my father and mother, and my grandma. That's it. And also you,
I'm also from nuclear family,
nuclear.
and in my family there is a 5 person, and there are my father, my mother, my brother, and my sister and me.
Oh, that's great. Uh, have you gone visited place?
Have you visited?
Have you visited any place?
Recently, I visited Coxbazar with my family, and I enjoy a lot.
That's great.
And
Good.
tell me something about your about English medium.
In my opinion, English Fantasy is an excellent institute, because we learn English easily from English Fantasy, and also English Fantasy's teacher are very good and honest, and honest.
Are you enjoying yours in English medium?
Yes, I'm always enjoying with English Fantasy.
Do you know Asadul Islam Rajan sir?
Yes, why not? He is an honest person. He is hardworking person, and also he is a great teacher of English Fantasy.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
Nice
your
to meet you.
expensive
May Allah
time.
grant you happiness.
Okay.